Guys, welcome back to one of my videos. So today I'm going to be showing you slime. Just made this. It's homemade. Super gross. Really satisfying though. And my grandma was like, how about you do a YouTube video? And I was like, oh yeah, I forgot. Just like that's a great idea. This is like the first time I've ever made like successful slime, because I've tried like 50 million times and they've all failed. They've all failed because I've either added too much or too much contact solution or baking soda or whatever activator I'm using. Too much food dye. Well, too much like essential oils, because I've added way too much of the peppermint and that stunk up the whole house. It's not a butter slime, it's a fluffy slime. And it's really great to play with. So, and I added some yellow paint. So it might look blue, but it's actually yellow. I wish you guys could see it. It's like a banana, so I'm going to call it banana boat. I'm going to call it banana cream, actually. Make sure to go, I'm going to link down below some slime videos. It actually spreads like butter slime. A lot. So I'm going to tell you guys to hit that like button 50 million thousand times so I could have a lot of likes. But we're just going to do this slime. So one of my favorite things to do, so you get the slime. Woo. So I'll show you guys how to make a slime swirl. So, I'm not going to show you right now, because I'm going to put this slime away for just a quick second, and I'll be back with you guys, okay? Hold on, guys. It's just so satisfying.